This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
She had those alcoholic. What the? I was like, what are you doing? It was hot. You know, she's like, oh, it's got vodka. I was like, oh, really? She's like, oh, yeah, I've had 3.
Dude,
like,
what
right.
the?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I mean, there, I had to turn my eye. I can't. This is too much. 6421 Rock. Steve, who is our first contestant, ready to play the big game. Hello, Kim. Welcome to the men's room. Hey, Toby.
Dude, this is a $150,000 car.
Bro, did you just hit my car?
Did he?
I'm going to speed limit, buddy.
This is a $150,000 car.
I wonder what you should say. You should expect that.
Not your best. Clearly mini material. Harvestella, delightfully mini. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh no, they spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes its money back. That they went over budget on this. And then also sometimes you can clearly see that they didn't give it enough. Oh, their ambitions were too high for the time and money they were given for this. Harvestella is Baby Bear's porridge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting RPG. And I hope you at home now have an understanding of what mini entails.
Take the next left on the Post Creek Road.
Oh, hello.
Hey, are you ready to start?
I am. This time, I'll do better. I can't believe my eyes.
Concentrate on the road, please.
But my favorite store is having a sale. Ah!
Wait. Oh no, we're doomed.
Give me a second.
You can't just leave the car. Oh.
Oops, I can't?
I don't get paid enough. Never will you ever get a driver's license. Huh?
Uh-oh. I'd better hide inside.
Advanced types of semiconductors without the Dutch. Specifically, you need one Dutch company called ESMM. This company has developed pretty mind-bending technology.
I just don't know. I mean, putting her.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us.
Just go. Just go.
Why did they crash? I didn't cause it, right?
I don't think so.
I was turning right.
You were turning right.
Name another monster catching game out right now. Temtem. Temtem. See, Digimon's kind of dead. Temtem is completely dead. They apparently recently with microtransactions and no one.
That you're superior over me, just to be like, oh, I have a gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no, but it was, like, weird, because I was, but also, it's like a gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no, but, it was, like, a weird, because I was peed off, but also it was, like, a gender thing at that point, too. Like, he's trying to assert his dominance over me, basically, be like,
Left turn here.
I know that, Ross. Hold on. Give me a second. Let's get over there. Whoa.
I think we need to pull over.
What'd I get?
A red or an orange, whatchamacallit.
I think I'm all right.
A lot of license plates out there, but the trick is getting one with the number that's good, because a lot of them, they've just been reused. But they're out there.
I'll check.
What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah. That'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you should, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
I told you about the wreck. You didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Ship Trap Island. This is Ship Trap? Yes. And the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow Salazar, he will show you to your room and catch some breakfast. Sleep the day through, my friend, and tonight we'll sail.
Oh my god.
Oats and bananas. Oof, what the heck?
Let's make an ooh sound.
Oh, shh. Jesus Christ. What? Oh my God. Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, here I go. Get out of here.
Yaptı. Bu işte. Pekala. Ben Cedric diyeceğim.
Evet, şüphelendiğim gibi Cedric. Evet Gary. Cedric için yanıyorsun.
Gary'nin Cedric diyeceğine emindim ama ben Gary diyemem. Başta beni yazmadın çünkü. Şimdi defol. Sanırım stratejik olarak...
Over or I didn't know what I was gonna do. Oh God, that's bad. Oh God, I did not see what happened. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, it hit that car.
Who hit who?
Did you see that white car?
I know I saw the white car hit the other car, but then what happened?
It like made a big.
Are you okay? Stay here. Stay here.
Oh, damn.
And then he just working for Chipotle to. There you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have
1878. Jane lived in her apartment and worked as a burger chef full time, driving a white 1974 Chevrolet Vega.
Oh, this guy's gonna go too. You're gonna get hit.
Jesus Christ.
That red guy shouldn't be going.